one in I won't their greatest pain. I believe in Ogechi if I know from now to 2 weeks, you will hear results. From now to 2 weeks, at least middle of December. Sorry, middle of November. If I don't hear anything, I can't ask you. Because I'm going to need you. You're useless. You're useless. I am hearing you loud. Happy idiot, and they want attention. Maybe they hear this ex-convict. Share.
The people na can't be hoji. Nobody will count the good side of you. Nobody will count. I watch people come to insult me online. The very day, the day you see people post and talk bullshit about me, is the day they think I have touched the toes of those people who happens to be their man, their person. All the while I gather my money and go and build houses for widows. You never celebrated it.
You don't need to be celebrated because you have not done a thing. Celebrate yourself. Let your useless followers celebrate you. It's none of our business. Why would we celebrate you? Do I know whether you're in those widows? Because I don't get what collect. Why would I celebrate an idiot like you? Is celebration by force? Since I've been helping people, when accusation they save women from prostitution, they build the hospital for the less privileged. Have I been celebrated? Hello? Yeah, what's going on? I'll give it to you. Idiot, let me block you. I know that you need my attention. But because you blocked your account, you are like a fake account. So I don't have your time. If you want to respond to me, do not block your accounts and be ranting. Say man angry with a picture, get a reply again. So no need. I blocked you. You want to go? Now let's be listening to this Oboroko.
You never celebrated. The only side you wait for is this day.
Because in a program up, I will not return again. It's my another account because they've been reporting me for the reason well known to them. When they run their program, I know they go there. I know they report them. I know they notice them. I don't know why every time I'm online, they have 1 day or 2, and I have the one here to come and report me. You want to go? Now, I want to clarify something. My previous video, I made a mistake and said it's 350. Thank you for correcting me. It's 300,000 twice, plus 500,000, making it 1.1 million. And I could say return 300,000 because I'm supposed to send you only 300,000. Till today, JPA can return. So I could thank you for that correction. I am your post a few minutes ago.
Somebody will frame up something about me. When did JPA start talking with Ifan Oba? Of which led to this kind of things. If I didn't say it today, you will not know, because I have no time coming to say some of these things.
One thing about you is that stop looking for people that will give you any credit. Credit come naturally. Appreciation come naturally. I have done more than that your little thing is on a widow. I have done many things that all of you turn to be evil. I have done many. To raise money online, Ogechi, I started it. To support people with their platform, Ogechi, I am the creator. Abraham, that 80% of you who know, all of you guys, we are my followers. From A to Z, we are my followers. I beat my chest to tell you this. I clothed all of you. I fed all of you. And when I came I keep an auto on here. And that's it. Boyadi akan na yuku. Also no bagwela kachamu nini. Na me, but the icon of this page you may use now. I was the first Igbo person that started it. Onama kenko noma. Which one way you na left and right one? I built all of you guys. Learned majority of things from me. I said him, I'm a chichi. I deserve it. With the full chest, I'm a kuya. With the full guts. All of you, we are all my followers. Just as envy, jealousy. Why would she be the one doing it? We will destroy her, we will damage her, we will put all the false allegations against her. Uro? Because you guys could not take that all Ogechi. Easy, Frank. If you comment rubbish again, I might block you again. And then, if you distract me one more time, I'll block your destiny. All of you, from A to Z, you know, every Igbo person, you learned it from me. Also, like you believe it, also like you cancel it. This history is there. But to jealous, you know, evil-minded set of miserable bitches among you all will not accept it. How many times have you acknowledged it? How many times have you sat down and say, yes, Ogechi, you deserve an award? You are looking for, I don't look for validation. Let my work speak for me. I don't need it from all of you. Let me block you for sending this your rubbish number here. I don't need it. But to only you share church validate here. Only you man church validate here. Only church recognize your men. What have you done? If I may ask you. What have you done? Kehime. Majority of you guys stood up. Doishi that you have never joined my enemy with fake account and fight me. Doishi. And I bet you negi credit. Negi kenka. You that knew that I'm fighting for this set of people selling our women nude to stop. What have you contributed in it? What have you? Absolutely shit you have ever contributed. But you go there to derive joy where they are sharing and selling women nude. Get to anye lot. We're to anye limo. Up to got peggy your remaining eye. You get a hold again until down. Why are you deleting? If you got the boss, comment. Why are you deleting? Why are you deleting? A comment I got happen. Don't comment and delete.
If the good somebody has done is not sizable enough, why not go and do better than what the person has done? Let me share this video.
Look at idiot. Trying to make people to feel like he belongs somewhere, that he can do something that until young that he cannot achieve. Chelema block all the idiots. What I go? That you can do. What others cannot do. Dala.
The whole problem noises you see on social media today. I'm not telling you that JPAC is perfect. Or sometimes if they fuck up, the thing they pay me. Most times the thing gets me mad. But I don't also need to come to social media to tell you that I've shouted for JPAC on so day. Just few days ago.
But you can come to social media to call me a prostitute. You can come to social media to lie against me that I'm Bromono. You can come to social media to create lies that Ogechi that I'm Puria. You can come to social media, right? But you cannot come to social media and tell JPAC that what he did is wrong. Clap for you. All of you hypocritical bastards. Look at you. Look at how useless you are. You sound so empty. So empty. So empty. Oh God, they call you a bube. Oh God, they call you a bube. When the main war will start.
I was bitter over JPAC. JPAC went to China and went there and made a video. Out of his video, will I say out of incitement or thereabout, JPAC said that Negie went on his journey to China. No Kazego went on a wedding. Are you trying to insult people that attended your wedding? I felt bad and I had to shout on him immediately. Keep appreciating those people who attended the occasion. The day he started making videos, no one they told the time they wedding. I ran mad. Many of you saw my comment. None of you appreciated it. I bounced on him. For anybody to squeeze that time to attend the occasion, that person has done better than giving you money, sir. It's not easy. For somebody to lock up his business for 24 hours and attend your event, that's enough. His issues with Igbo Credo, God Almighty bear me witness. I came for JPAC's wedding days before then so that we could plan very, very well. I met him, he turned camera, he was trying to make video. I said, which video again? Walk, when he made a wedding. Says he want to respond to Igbo Credo. I said no, God Almighty bear me witness. Emeka here is a living witness. I breathed it. I said, don't try it. You've also made mistakes by coming to attack yourself because of Akwa. Somebody to correct gear. Are you listening to me? I did not chat Igbo Credo to say I have cautioned JPAC. I did not say it before anyone's hearing. I said as I am saying it online now. He is alive. All of these things, they are not things you are only waiting for me when I will come on the social media and start attacking JPAC. There is no need for that. When I know I can still do it better inbox. Some of you will leave your lane. You will come to my WhatsApp and tell me to avoid JPAC. Will I avoid him for what? The more you avoid him, the more you cause more problems. If you love him to be an Igbo, if you love him to be your brother, then correct him with love. My judgment on this particular case and saga about Ifanyoba, watch me, I hardly do it. You hardly see me with the big people and I will start posting their pictures because am I posting it to promote the big man, so a rich man like Ifanyoba?
You are an idiot. Nobody knows you. You are just a ranter. I'm this, I'm that. You are nobody. You even went close to ex-convicts. Sorry. You even went close to wear belly face. For him to introduce you to Ndoma. You are nobody. I'm ready to piano in election. They piano you because nobody knows you. You are only going close to J-Pipe. The way Haji scatter to layer. Refresh. Who is this? Hello? 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 Thunder Babuogi. Come on, let me block you. You even had the audacity to start calling me in a Telegram. Let me block you. Block user. Yeah, fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, this Arabic idiot. Look at you. You are only running into wear face for all these little connections. Because they won't you again. I don't have to start posting. Look at idiot. You soro Timbaland. You put a picture. You resemble dogupo. Let me block you again. I block you. No, another regular account. Fools. These useless, hopeless idiots. Not Telegram. Okay? That was the only reason you went in there. Don't worry. And I know you are ready to submit your own IK. Because you must pay the price. Because if you don't pay it, you will remain where you are. You will remain okay. Ha! All this is into. There are many prices that made him pull such crowd. You want such. That was why in a Sarizia no tulo walking talking. Oh, you can abandon what's up, but I'm okay. Commissioner puts up a plug. Don't worry. Actually, about what's the problem. My pain you're dealing with. Don't worry. I will then show you that I'm bad. Oh yeah? Utila. What I go? Anybody go? Big, look at an idiot. Gay sorry man on us. One picture way home. Yeah, you won't go back like this. Because Johnny has she caught the election or Yola. She caught the election or Yola. She but one abandon na one go agabata Nigeria. She one go na if na one go na run no Nigeria ngaro no ga like water the flow. What I go? She had that one go na efe na Nigeria they can nga. Diarrhea na she jepa ki kene me pa. Una nga jepa ke nyuga shimbo. Jegara jepa ga na she. Ona nyi she no ma because everybody dey yo ye. Eh? Jepa ki no dey pupu, ibe na pupu no ma ba. Chineke bon knock. E wala. Look at him, this is sugar. Wako is rolling like in Gashishi Jepa Kamagot. La papa, pa. You were the boss. Wako pata. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Who died? Wako is in Nigeria and you are still ranting. You have not went and comforted Wako. He's still running like a diarrhea when you get control like a tula. Jepa. He's in Nigeria. Even I got here in January. I got home there. Bro, I got home na Newe. I gonna Newe. I gonna one na Newe. Got home there. Yes. What I go? Because you want. You just want social media to see. I remember when your election were taking place. Give me back. We fight it because Johnny and she caught oru. Awejile jerula yejeru. Awejile rula yeru. Person na de reach there. Court we jeme ayo. Wanya kwoge ga menebe. We not take it. The youth of Ngopala will not take it. Oga. Where is the court and where is the youth of Ngopala? Those are not youth of Ngopala are more reasonable and responsible than that. Imana be she renting down. Go and pay. You have already paid the mesa to Lola. You just check out Aboro. Debu cement. Nigeria, but maybe she water. How about claim you to go. A failure remain a failure. And when he gets Yaka, you win. You can never win anything. But you always want us to validate you. You also want us to give you credit you can never earn. You can't. Laburu, it makes the noise. Aku will never come to Ngopala. If Aku come, I will break Ngopala. Aku can never step his foot. We the indigene. Bang bang bang. Pa pa pa. Poo poo poo. And neji then negi. Po 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 po. Otilo. When he pasta. Kareko. Shiano go to land. Every time. Agamakwa doji. Ori and Goku. You man, not waste of energy, waste of time. If you're listening to it, you're wasting your data and your time. No positive, no nothing will you that of it. Who is this? Let me block the idiot. On a block, like, why can't I block that no here? Chiri. Okay? Otido. Now, let's go back. Can you get chaff talking? Nobody's talking.
Some people will come and tell me that they are disappointed that I did best man for JPAC. What are you saying?
Nobody. You are just reading comment. You know that even yourself you are disappointed to be a best man. Nobody is telling you anything. All the things you're talking never existed. You are reading comment. Nobody ever confronted you with evidence. You are a liar, a pathological liar, a liar you are. You are just reading comment because people comment to finish. Nobody came to tell you shekam. Lie. You can't deceive them, my fair. I need my fair. If I am.
Are you okay at all? Do you reason like human being?
Comment here. Comment. Now what you in the car?
I don't understand our people. There is one Mpama I blocked the other day. I was on live section. He went and copied picture of where I was standing with JPAC on his wedding. And went and cycled the shoe I was putting.
I no tell you, say na comment in the cry for or potala no potabe. Now when be somebody secular post, oh you begere comment. Na comment in the cry for. Nobody contacted him, nobody reached out to him. Again. Okay, bye. You don't have to be on a boring. I mean not dumb trouble again. Oh yeah, Otilo.
And that of JPAC and say that I should explain why I am not wearing the same shoe with JPAC. Oga, are you that daft? Are you this blind? JPAC brought shoes from abroad. And I said to them that my size is 43 big.
So there is no 43 big in abroad. Otuanye with the highest. When my husband was traveling, I sent shoes to Akwa. Oh, go and look for work. Okay. Anyway, can't have work. I sent Akuneyi 47, 49. Yes. And one who the size of shoe, because I'm watching basketball players. She have big shoes here. So you cannot come and tell me every other thing. Any other thing here. Now lie. Oga, enter, shut up. You lie. Now the shoe they pay you. I'm gonna go push you again, they pay. Oya fugagi. And when who the big even size in the basketball players eba ngaka enwochara to who in America kiga where. So what are you saying? So abroad but your own did not reach you. Na na koiri. Kama ga comment na megi anya joana ga na dry you. Na koiri you.
Or 44 small. The person went and brought 42.
Imagine.
Tag me the Emmanuel. Let me read this comment and block him. So when I came, upon the texture of the shoe, I put my leg, it couldn't enter.
Explain fire.
And I said I cannot wear it because it will pain me.
The same explanation J-Park put back bang Basarana one year. While J-Park is the Oya like that. When I go explain. Oh my gosh, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about it. Oga, I respected you yesterday. Oh, I respected you, Kebru. I'm facing Kana. You know, say, you get to listen to the Lala you. Lala you. Mamba Pankets. Let me hear you.
Somebody arranged, they just said, is it true that J-Park is another Bobrisky? Goodbye from this page. So when I put my leg, the shoe couldn't even enter my leg because it was 42 small self. Should I shout on J-Park? And we decided to go to Ireland. When we got there to search for the shoe, we couldn't see it because the time was not on our side again. And I picked a shoe similar to that. I don't know how people behave. J-Park has not told you that he's rich.
Eh?
Why are you fighting him just immediately after his wedding? Whatever you sow today, that shall you reap tomorrow.
Come on, shut up. Come on, shut your trash. Una hunno ngunu gegida kunu egide yipere. Ashigene. Aya, get the fuck out. Singapore. Singapore, son. Then I hold out there, day, I got my going. Then I hold out there, day, I got my going.
I'm telling you because I know how nature flows. It will return upon you.
Shut up, oh. Shut up. Who cares about his wedding? When J-Park commits a crime, if J-Park commits a crime, yeah, war wedding here. Why are you guys touching on rubbish? When J-Park commits a crime, yeah, war wedding here. J-Park commits a yeah, war wedding. Because you know, oily. Na koka ndebu warishi. Ahungage bisake bisa yibere. Time shono.
Somebody was not fighting shoes. You are talking about a man who bought suit of 1.something million naira to do his wedding.
On which people detriment? On which people detriment? These are the list of people that contributed for J-Park. J-Park here me anyway, style. Which people contributed that money? And Aturun Alibo is on our soyan so that a man gano Atora Ego Jalwania is a sacrilege. It's a sacrilege if you don't know Igbo tradition. Then I practice tradition. I will tell you what Igbo tradition stated. That is a sacrilege. Nana who go play. Hold on, can play that one voice note. Can bagina I'm a moment Igbo than all of you. So for J-Park Potter, ne poku question you poku. Because all mother to Riego Jiloma and we equate our long. If you don't know, you know it's now. It's wouldn't need no paracono. Because I'm a man Igbo. J-Park was without anybody contributing time. People took a J-Park total of almost 15 million. Now you're talking about she's Kurt is about 1.5. She's let me get return or go to her. I get return on that suit. That is 1 point something. Only three return yeah. My game is out of dated. Ndala. And I told mother go in one. Jeju mena libo. Eba na ezuko. Atu ego na. Ebe mmadụ nwụrụ. Ohe ji mara Igbo. Enwe ya na-enye ego ka ọ ga lụọ nwaanyị. Ọwarụ. Ndala. Na koyi.
That suit you see there was not the first one. There's another suit he bought. We checked it. The suit was not qualified to what we want. The suit I see with J-Pack, I didn't collect it.
Check I'm team of your friends.
So we dropped that one and went for another one. This one, that one he wore that day was 1 million something. And somebody who has data of 350 naira will be busy insulting the young man.
Shut up.
Help me. And I was looking at them.
Let people contribute to the game. Let all the names that we
after
had.
His wedding, hells were let loose.
Shut up.
Demons came out of their kingdoms and thereabouts. What will you benefit when you keep hurting the wife? You have a sister.
Shut up. Or the wife who knew and you open to insult. Or the wife who knew you were going to show up. Anyway, I don't want to go deep because the other kid disrespecting them on the bottom money. What I go? I check in. I don't want to. Lebaya, all the information in that Lola gave here. I got no like only long wine. I'm gonna leave one and make committee of friends say it will go jalo wine. Should I post it? Yeah, post it. Lebaya, I got no like Lola jalo wine. You can post it ever. Lebaya. How many people contributed for you? Thousands. Ega contribute 50 something 15 million. In a big boss. Lebaya. Then in a non-boon net urego. Here. And I call it. Committee of friends. A bad king and leave one and a loan to committee of friends. Yan and no people be here. Can you know wine? And I call it. You won't tell me it's not all the payment slip that's giving you money in your wedding. Are they not the ones? And then you go payment slip. All people look like a wine again. So all wine in public. It's a public wife. Now people marry and give you. Now public property you marry give. Only you wine and I owe you. You know be public property you buy give us. Are they not the payment slip in the matter go? Is it not the public property? In a people raise the money, even if it's EU, people bought it for you. Even the clothes where you wear, now people buy give you. Even now people buy borrow you. Can I call you? It's our property. Yes. Online again. So you're already rent out. Anybody can buy. It's public wife. Anybody can rent it money because you just suffer lawyer. Yes. All the people, got to like go better. For the Kenyan 100,000. And they can 500,000. People contributed, but they have their head. So each and all these people to go that she want near one night stand. They will not give that. She will not give them. She will quietly do it. She will humbly because they paid for it. They paid for it. So no, just tell me. I want hello London man. So anytime I may run, if in comment section can request, get where they can rent her at any day. Chineke boru no come. Na one time tete. Which people are where? Which people? You did it in Egypt. So what Eva is here commented as Eva. You rented her in Egypt. So what are you saying? What are you fucking saying? Nara.
You have a sister. You went as many of you went as far as tagging Senator Ifeanyoba.
Imagine fucking. Come on.
There are consequences to everything.
Shut up,
Somebody is telling me that I should stop blocking. I should stop blocking people that I'm a celebrity. Did I tell you I'm a celebrity?
Who is celebrating?
They were all waiting to see how that wedding will flop down. But God,
first and foremost, you guys told us now Governor Gabia, J-Pack was making mouth. So people were eager to see. You guys brought us attention. You guys brought the attention to us. J-Pack senator will come, governor will come, Onyeka will come, Onyeka. Are you guys not the one that started the focus? People that will be there, people that we should expect. So when people started putting interest in what you guys allotted them, yeah, what problem? You guys announced your wedding. You told people to wait in the. So when people started interfering, now you start crying. When you gather people to raise money for you, public wife is what you marry. So anybody that gives you money or generation or relative will also ask for the pass of Igbo. Ask for the pass of the package. So I cannot buy one again because you did not suffer as Igbo tradition demands. What are you saying? She's a public thing. She's a public property, so anybody can go and collect.
Infinite mercy came. That young man in the wedding, they make their own so bloggers kajia boya propaganda. After his wedding, cooling van half was the remnant of the drinks.
Who bought those drinks? Even people that J-Pack collected their drink, till today he has not paid them back. But I'm a chair. First record plenty. You stole people's money till today. You do not pay them back. Because of 500,000 in your gigantes, you a thief because you are a liar. It will not share.
I and those people in charge of the drinks handed it over to J-Pack. He was even saying, Akwa ni who no wake oneake kwa ni jimaya mesike ya. I na yo dem man ayo dan go maya. Not that their champagnes were everywhere. 21 years. Even me, I never believed J-Pack will withstand it. But God made name for himself. His in-laws, how do you think they will feel? At this point, when you are saying things that are not verifiable because the senator is not alive, if he's breathing before God and man.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Because the senator is not alive. Who the fuck are you? Iwonye Newi. Ochicha America broke. Who are you? Iwonye to come and speak on behalf of Newi. Who the fuck are you? Come and go and speak for Ndengo. Are you related to us? Are you part of us? Who the fuck are you? Iwonye? Does our Newi runs you? Iru half of it Newi men that when they the opportunity and the guts to speak. Come on, take a regi ochicha. In my part of your town, we don't regard you guys. We don't regard you guys. Come on, go and correct all the prostitutes who never can now. Go and correct all the showers and the men that are busy in the state. We are too big for non-entity like you to put them out. Go and try it, and they will when you get recognized. They will see you as an infidel. All the camera. We are too proud. Come on, shut up. We have men that can speak. You are nobody. Atono. We are from town where people like you are not manyono. We are from place people like you that are not regarded. Because I know ya. Imagine Imo States unu no dia na wura pona umoko no dia na radio to mo. Kana clean. He say that. Shut your barbaric evil mouth and go and sit down. Ochicha many Hebrew, okay? One down. Degree pay me. Look at you talking. Can you talk? Onye orogi? Even the poorest person na newu we rich man ebeno. Unyara. Ane me pono na talking. Nari. Shut the fuck up, mama. Pe shinga ma woganya. You know rich. Ndanagi. Onye orogi? When you are busy destroying Newi, onye Newi jijebu aguna number na Newi. Were you busy calling in Newi? Are you not calling your fellow idiots from your own area? You might not want your Newi ki destroy. You didn't know when you are busy destroying Wagwata Africa. You might not want Newi call shut up. You see why I came for my brother? You see how I defended my brother? Because it's from Newi. I need you, Gubri. We stand to defend what belongs to us. Go and defend your people. Take it again. It oh, to get taken la shin. It better sign a shaper. Come on, we are not failures. We don't rant. Kevin, see it however you like it. Fuck you and fuck what you think. My mom won Imo. You can see that I speak Imo dialects. So, however you want to tell me it's that Wasarage, get the fuck out. My mom is from Imo. I'm part and parcel of Imo. You can see my dialect and I'm a Sunnewi. But so, Ngai Opura Kayono. Ngole Opura Kayono, I can't walk one. Messia Hunu game. Ngo Opura Kayono. I go chana na konana. Ade ke na anu ilulu ahun Igbo. Ina so Igbo set no like Ronwunu. No like Ronwunu. It can take that part. Do you want me to dago in that area now? It can take ban. Respect on we go. Respect yours. Fuck out of here. Ina be manyana nyono. You are an infidel to talk when we are dealing with their matters. Fuck off. Nobody invited you. A man wouldn't know we inherited that a man from that area back Manyanano. On God Opura Canyon, Imo State full time on Noba. Almost 80% of my investment is in Imo State. So what are you saying? Negi mad. The more that I get back to a hopeless man like you will run mad. Come on, shut up. Why you just want to Newi? And how about Igbo? He started the discrimination by his statement. He started the discrimination by why not mentioning Anambra State or Igbo Nine? When you guys start discrimination, when I enter, I become the problem. How useless one of them. He started it, pointing directly in the Newi. Why didn't you send Igbo? And when the brain had it very short. When you start problem and I give it to you, you want to exonerate yourself. Idiots. And I be with into sentimental. She share him. Dala. Fucked up sick of people. Tell them, kind of idiots.
If he is breathing before God and man. Who knows what would have become of you? But nevertheless, he has family.
Shut up! What will become of you, we Unegi? Nevertheless, he has family. Oh yeah! Go to their home. They tell them, say, Ogechi, go to their home. Why are you here around 10? You want to be the messenger, you want to be the person that go to his home. Who you on Facebook? Who with this your dead and buried page? Your hand and name. If he happen to be alive, shut up! You are nobody. You don't talk when we are talking. You are not among us. You are not from Newi. You are not part of us. So shut up. Go where you came from. Wonyara. Chabi Shifua. Who called you? Nobody got anything we need your own opinion. Because they gave 500,000. They gave you 500,000 to come and act. They were a joke with you. They were a joke with you. Are you one of us? Nego when you never nago one. Are you related to us? Chileka Brongon. Madoha Mabuegi.
He has relatives.
Look at somebody that is nothing problem. How to Ogechi to enter problem are also calling peace in the same video. Who is he trying to maneuver? Look at somebody that pretended that he's calling for peace. So, first of all, bitter problem how to destroy Ogechi. In the same video, Koshigan mega peace. Who are you if you got common sense? You don't maneuver me anyhow. That's when in common sense. Now the same video, for them to start shit with Ogechi. It's the same video. You are pretending to start calling people. Hey, for this blue apple. Ndiko. Make me hear. Hey, listen.
And somebody is typing on the internet, you come back to Nigeria, nobody will touch you. Okuko who lives in Aba, a deflected animal. There were so many criminal charges and cases.
You know how this idiot? Okuko who lives deflected. The same deflected is the one you are honoring. The same Akosayon deflected is the one you propose to. Now, we big, not carry thousands of one person together. The same deflected criminal. Now. You know, be if I know and J-Pipe you tag their picture. Do the same thing. Tag your picture and call him a criminal. The same deflected every morning and night. King relationship with him. The same deflected is the one that paid you millions and gave you 50,000 Ghana back on Egara. Visit here. You see how bitter you are. I could don't push. Let me have oh yeah, he be a Nigeria. Whenever I had to go okay no chicha. You are okay no chicha to put another house. I could don't want you. Learn how to move on. Learn how to pack your frustration and leave Akwa alone. I could don't even know that you exist. But every morning and night, you are crying for a dead relationship can never be resolved. How many times have you called people to reach out to Akwa make your peace? Akwa belly again. How many times are you telling people a exact truth or you put on social media again? How many times have you seek for peace? You call Onya because came and peace with Akwa. Akwa chooser. Niga gabuzo Ogechi. The same thing in a J-Pipe. Yes, Ogechi before my. This is what you call friends. This should be the joke Ogechi. They are aware now. Oh, you are aware. I will be aware. The same person in a papa every day. Kenacho, who will settle your matter peace. Unless Mama Dizia who could accept your miserable life back. Berema pa. Tiriwo blololo. Berema pa. Akwalapugogi. I don't have your time. But deflected tire. Look at you that like a dry stockfish. Ngeshi, one of the stuff it can just show. Or will fake him she agube. And when I'm begging me, when I get to worry. Men I'm begging me, she might get low, come when I get to worry. Sharia, guys, Sharia. That baggy. Because I need to eat you. You a dry fish. And when you no gishi, your brain are dry. La hini nega dry. Keep him on go. You are dry. You are finished. Go and look for your class. Akwa is above you. Go and look for your class. Akwa lap gogi. Cry me a river. Ndauka lap gunu. Akwa don't need you. Akwa don't want you. It's over. Can't you move on? I know there are friendships that worth millions. Priceless. Akwa is one of them. Ana hoya die. Ana hoya. You are still crying. The pain is still existing in you. Deal with it. It's over. That go and look for them. They will do you more better than Luffy Fako. So move on. Go. Forget Akwa and have peace. No this and no peace. You know every day gonna be. Every day gonna be. When I she make it that you don't even exist. I think I'm back for time. Yes. You cannot do me anything. Let me repeat it again. I heard that you are threatening when I come to Nigeria. Let me threaten. Come to Lagos, Moletala Mohammed, on the 30th of December. You will see me. I will land there by 5 p.m. And make sure you bring red carpets. If you miss it, 30th of December. Kanga land in Moletala Mohammed. Bring red carpets, Madati Uabuja. Campaigning for you that both of you are failed politicians. Two of you are the useless two politicians. Make sure you bring red carpet for me. I don't want to step on ordinary ground. Because the queen is coming. Ofunye netinu no bagara. Everyone. It's time. That's one tide. I'm returning. So with red carpet, if I don't see you with red carpet, don't put drug a bit to red carpet. You got the rock queen. The dog is landing. 30th, 5 p.m. Come my flat in land. No man and you dates. Moletala Mohammed. I show no there on a hundred kibun. Una the kibun. Kebulaman and kebu na. Don't forget. For those of you that said I'm not giving date, I'm giving date, I'm giving time. 5 p.m. when they catch 6 before our luggage. When they can see 7, I'm Mjabata. Because you know how delay and delay. Watch out for British Airways. British Airways. I am Jabata. Urujam. If you feel one thing, that's Imeriela. Because I'm that everything you have stated on this blue app are all fake. You couldn't achieve Shechem. You couldn't. But to drink down when I glory that you have arrested Ogechi. That you have finally brought Ogechi to justice. If you don't do it, if I come when I don't do anything, when I return. You guys know. If I get the man in Nigeria, I'm not playing until when I return. So this is our last straw. Because when they Mahagashi rest in peace. This December. When they Mahagashi, oh, I don't matter. Ketchefun, because so many not to Ketchefun. When then to have walk to anything. The PG because soon the family knows so we better here. She this time, this coming of pain. After all, lazy and a wound them mother jailia. The dog can ban my but pain is coming. At least somebody needs to shed blood for me. Don't I want it? And am I what to ya? A one woman in the tune of Bagaranishi. All of you useless Igbo men. And it's just worry. British Airways. Come na land. Jerem, Namaleta Mohammed. 30th, 5 p.m. Kaplane, Emano, Urike, slow, low, 6, 7. Cherem, Ega home, and I'm about Nako. I don't about Nako. The meeting that they keep him very welcome. That's it. At least so far the guy on December, Ebaga. Well, that's it. Abachana December New Year. The Bruisia Gawa. So you try and achieve one thing. Because all the rest of your life you have been a failure. Then Abuja. Abuja, Shana Pataga for Gene Beke Hayata. Abuja the Kayamata. Abuja Apatara. Na I get teach one KJ just 17 ya Kulie. Abuja Patra social media. So you guys should at least achieve one thing. KJ bully up Abuja. They will hang Abuja on her shoulder. What I go? If you want to use Ogele music. Okay, Abuja. Can they book Ogele music itself? And I don't need to book it. Ubu put yourself. A lot of people will book it for me. So, Mako Yamana buy you ex-convict. And I buy you Abuja. Do Sunandara. Mad people everywhere. Bunch of losers. Dala.
I don't want to go into saga with anybody.
Shut up, you are in saga.
But we should be guided.
Shut up! You are in saga. You are in saga already. Idiot.
Capacities don't talk. On that day, did you see them? But they went somewhere and sat and we are taking glory.
Imagine how a lunatic. Imagine how a compound stack hungry idiot will sit down and claim glory that never existed in his capacity. And people are again. On the market. Lie. And people are now banket. My brother won't come back. Lekpa Nigeria on the 30th. Lekpa Nigeria. I should have a meeting the Dicky there. After all, they showcase your power that day. And we got like it. We got like you watch that movie. Yeah. Would you like to watch that movie? Onyane Cheche. How many years Abuja declared unwanted? How many years? 30 to 6 years now. Don't worry, I'm coming to that wanted case now. Because if I because I need to iron it now. What I go? Are you like about this news which make more popular? So no negation I am nabata. Why not? Isha wakadi abonite now. Ishi jilabola nite. Iche fule. Ishi is coming. And what when yoga na golia? But all these celebrities, content creators that are more popular than me, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Don't you know that grace is too much? No matter how it came, grace is sufficient. No matter any angle. Ex-convict in a chem. Abuja in a chem. Criminal can ere auto in a chem. The whole world, all of them. Come back. Even man, the comment section with the fake account, mama. They are waiting for me. They are waiting for me. Even the content creators, they are having meeting waiting for me. It's not ordinary. Odogu. Ishi jila bola nite dao. Dara. Listen.
The Bible says, let him that nameth the name of the Lord depart from iniquity. Some clergymen should mind the kind of people they allow around them.
We detest you. Whichever clergyman you're referring to, have loved Akwa, favor have found Akwa, grace has found Akwa, Ebewele. Why didn't you dictate it then when I was feeding you? Why didn't you? Why did you make this post when you was eating Akumoni? The clergy, look at an idiot, look at a fool, look at a dead, look at an infant, look at a man that worthless being, a ranter, a nobody, a man 1 naira, 2 naira can buy. He's not advising clergy men not to be a randak. You see why they are carrying false information? They just gonna suspend their account. Go to suspend their account. Ejikara suspend their. And when who's on her job? Akwa lapugogi. Gashieni ke. They is a suture choosing one. Mbe umunna David dimene everything hamere ni me Bible. Mecha poro ya. Oga eba aga hu ya anya. Ashina enwere choosing one no here. Umunna David dimene ihe ni na mere atofu umunne ya. David na answer atoro ebe akpoporo ya with other ones to present chan. I said no. And when another person not here, oh yeah, Akko has found favor in the sight of Daddy, and there is nothing. And that love, that grace, Daddy the Kosrenishi has put Akko in different corners of this world. President Maya, Governor Maya, Senator Maya, IG Maya, everybody. Oh, when grace found you, deal with it. Akko is too heavy. You better you go and sleep. There's nothing you can do. Deal with it, oh. Is okay. You better get whatever handkerchief you do. You chagan and you chanya. And what's the whole game about it? He bigger. Have another one. You come and cry. He don't anybody advice because it is too worthless. Oto onye anya kporo onye ara ụmụaka aka otula onye werela aka refucha ụmụaka ime otula onye ji anya ahụ mmụọ ọkpụ ụmụaka the fingericious ọkpụ ụmụaka oju otu anya agwọ ọkpụ ụmụaka Chineke kpọ ọgụ ọkụ akụmata ga-ekpu gị akụmata go chọk you akumata ga doge mkpụrụ akwa amụ gị fekeshia ya akumata go kpeme you akwa akumata hey akumata enye hụ na gị BP n'ụwa ịhụ na mgọpọ ike na-ebe akwa akụ bema akwa akụ oge eme gị cham.
They will not only destroy your name, they will destroy the church and destroy beyond.
Mba ino any gi nwoke join and then agba Zion war. What did you do? What was the role you played? You went on the back, you start apologizing to Mbaka. The same person said that everything that he said about Mbaka was right. You snitched. You snitched overnight. You start destroying the same Muka he made advice. Huh? But who stood by those Undoka? Zion. Who stood by that person you advising? Zion. You joined your weird face. You switched overnight. You started destroying on the same person named the advice. What did you do? You got on 360. Where were all those your advice when you switched? Can you be those advice now? Where were those your useless advice now? You weren't able to oh, brain gonna miss some reasonable things. Brain gonna miss some reasonable. You don't remember your past things you have done. So you did not remember all the plans you joined them to criticize Ebukobi and the church. Now you have turned to give advice. You have turned to give advice. In that society, you are the most dangerous species anybody will keep away from. Because you're not reliable. You can be discharged, you can collect money, you can betray at any given opportunity. Now you turn around to apologize to Mbaka. After everything you claim that you said we are the truth. Who is who? Konyaga is enough. Or would Yako have maintained his consistency Or they could have maintained his honest, his stand. You that is a snake, you and J-Pipe that cannot stay one place. You that later dined with those that you criticize because of getting. I could refuse to pay the money you and J-Pipe want to scam him from. Those shambo. Can you see your dirty life that is advising onye meha derona ho? Akwa is like an angel where you dey. Don't you ever. Anybody that listens to you is a stupid idiot like you. Nobody will listen to your advice. You're nobody. You don't have the record. You don't have the record. Your record is dead. Idiot.
You will never see me. You will never see me. You will never see me share anybody's nude.
On this nude matter, I think I will take it up tomorrow. Because Ogechi John, let me start getting ready. Where did we stop on this? 42 minutes. Good. Please remind me tomorrow. I will come back because I need to start getting ready. Let me get ready. My husband is sending a message. Can be prepared. Tomorrow, on this nude matter, I will come 8 p.m. Nigerian time. 2 p.m. Nigerian time. On this nude matter, but I got more time to run it now. Come just get here ready. My people, I will see you guys some other time. Remain loved. Remain loved. I am coming that nude. Eba he no join ya na eke nude umu wine. Eba he no join ya na ere nude umu wine. All of us, we will discuss it tomorrow. On that note, see you some other time. I love you guys. Remain loved.